Whoa, hey, I'm Jaime Levy, product strategist. Whoa, hey. Whoa, hey, I'm Jaime Levy. I'm a product strategist, author of the best-selling book UX Strategy, a professor, and a public speaker. In fact, I'm going to be coming to Estonia on November 24th for World Usability Day. There I will be giving a talk called What the Hell is UX Strategy? And also be giving a workshop called Crash Course on UX Strategy with Jaime Levy. If you're interested in moving into the space of becoming a product strategist, or just tired of being a wireframe monkey, please join me. We're going to have a lot of fun with hands-on techniques, learning how to do everything from competitive research to validating personas with customer interviews. Anyway, I look forward to seeing you all in November at World Usability Day in Estonia.